That is a clean layer. Flat top, sharp edge, not one crumb left behind in the pan. 10 minutes ago, it was stuck solid. So do not grab a knife yet. When a cake is stuck, you have about a 10-minute window, and once that window closes, you need a completely different fix. Do not throw it out and do not start over. Almost every stuck cake comes out whole if you do the right things in the right order. There are 3 real causes here, and a rescue ladder with 5 rungs. The last rung is the one nobody expects, and it is the one that saves the cakes everybody else gives up on. Grab a butter knife or a small offset spatula, a wire rack, a flat plate or cake board, a kitchen towel, and hot tap water. Now diagnose. Touch the side of the pan. Still warm? You went too early, the crumb has not set. Stone cold and sitting well over an hour? You went too late. Greased the pan but skipped parchment? That is your answer right there. Fix 1, the 10-minute window. Set a timer the second the pan leaves the oven. 10 minutes on a wire rack in the pan, then turn it out and let it finish cooling on the rack for the rest of the hour. 10 minutes is the sweet spot. Earlier and the crumb tears. Later and it starts gluing itself down. Fix 2, run the edge. Slide a thin butter knife between the cake and the pan wall, blade flat against the metal, and go all the way around once, all the way to the bottom. Flat against the metal is the whole trick. Fix 3, heat. Run a towel under hot tap water, wring it out hard, and wrap it around the sides and bottom of the pan for 3 to 5 minutes. Or set the pan in a shallow bath of hot water, just deep enough to touch the bottom, for about 60 seconds. You are melting the layer holding it down. Fix 4, invert and tap. Plate on top, flip the whole thing, set it on the counter, and give the pan bottom and sides firm taps. Then walk away and leave it upside down for 5 to 10 minutes. Gravity gets a surprising number of cakes out on its own. Fix 5, go cold. Ice bath around the pan, or 20 to 30 minutes in the freezer until the cake is properly cold. Cold shrinks the cake slightly away from the metal and firms the crumb so it will not tear on the way out. Here is what is actually happening, and it is not the cake. It is the sugar. Sugar in the batter melts, hits hot metal, and caramelizes into a paper-thin candy layer welded to the pan. While that layer is warm, it is soft and gives. Once it cools all the way down, it is hard candy glue, and you are trying to pull a cake off a lollipop. That is why heat and cold both work, but for opposite reasons. Heat softens the layer. Cold shrinks the cake off it. It also explains why cooking spray on its own keeps failing you. Spray leaves a thin film, and at the contact points, the sugar burns right through it to bare metal. Parchment does not have that problem because sugar cannot weld to paper. 3 habits and you never do this again. 1, grease the pan, drop in a parchment round, then grease the parchment too. Grease, paper, grease. 2, no parchment on hand? Butter the pan and dust it with flour, then tap the extra out over the sink. 3, set that 10-minute timer every single time. It is the cheapest insurance in baking. Now the mistakes. Angling the knife into the cake instead of flat against the pan, that shaves your edge off. Turning it out straight from the oven while it is still fragile. Leaving it in the pan overnight, which is the hardest version to rescue. Relying on spray alone in a bundt or any pan with detail. Yanking the pan up instead of letting gravity work. And prying with a fork, which turns one stuck cake into 2 broken pieces. And that is the layer we started with. Clean, whole, ready to frost. Stuck is not ruined, it is just a timing problem. And now you know the ladder. Follow for more cake tips. Full recipe on the blog.